everyone. Today's video is about illusion makeup. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification on my future videos, and also watch this video till the end. So here is the look that you see. It is called as a mask peel off or skin peel off kind of a look, and let's see how to achieve this kind of a makeup. Now here is my model, and to start the makeup I have used a makeup setting spray, and the next step would be to go ahead and use the corrector. I have used an orange corrector just to give a brightness and even tone to her skin. Now blending this is also very important. Now this is a very basic makeup is what I have done onto my model, and then created the illusion on her face. I have used a Krylon palette foundation and slightly taken a brighter foundation to her face. If you could see, I have taken 2 shades fairer than actual my model is, so that I needed an extra makeup look for this kind of a illusion makeup. Now once the foundation is blended, the next step is to go ahead and set it up with a loose powder, and then go ahead with a blush. Now here I have used a Krylon palette completely for this look. I have given a pink and a peach tone blush, and also I have contoured with a brown eyeshadow from the same eyeshadow palette. Now blending is very important in this look. Blend, 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 that's the key. And contour I have done to her forehead, cheeks and jawline and nose. Now let's go ahead with the eye makeup. Now I have kept a very simple eye makeup here. I have used a single shade. However, to go ahead with the eye makeup, the base is important. So I have given a base with Krylon concealer on her eyelid and then blended it perfectly. Now the next step would be to go ahead and use the eyeshadow. Now here I have selected a sky blue kind of a eyeshadow. Now I have used the same eyeshadow to her lower lashes, to her tear line and her complete eyelid a single color. I have also used the fingers to go ahead and apply the eye makeup so that the color would appear brightly, just shown in this video. When the purpose or the creation is something different, so the basic makeup, to keep the basic makeup very light and simple is important. Now there is nothing as a shape that I have created. It is just a random application that you see. And once the eye makeup is done, I have again used a makeup fixer spray, so that the complete eye makeup and the eyeshadow would set it on her eyes, and it would give a long lasting effect. Now it is important that whenever you apply the eyeshadow, you apply it to the corner of the lashes as well, and the outer V and the inner V corners of the eyes. Now blending is the key even for the eye makeup. So once the applicator is done, here I have slightly adding a green shade, which is probably not visible much in the video or in the photos, but however it would give a lot of definition to the blue which I have applied. Once that is done, I'm going straight away with a lip shade, and I have selected a very natural pink or a peach tone to her lips. Now again, for this I have not given any definition from a lip pencil. It's mainly from a palette which I wanted to create very natural shade to her lips. Now let's get highlighted with the eyebrow. I'm using a Revolution London palette, and I'm using a grey and a black eyeshadow to enhance our eyebrows. Now for the eyebrow I have used an angle brush, and here again going with a natural hairline is very important rather than giving a drastic change to the eyebrow. Stick to the natural shade. Now once the basic makeup is done, here is a fun and very challenging part, that is creating the illusion. Now I'm making a rough sketch here, whichever I want to enhance and make it as a peel off kind of a look. I've given a rough sketch with a kohl, which is a kajal from Miss Claire, and I've given an arch. Now once that is done, I'm using a water paint here, which is in shade black, and completely filling up and making a very thick band kind of a shade. It is easy to use watercolor, which is harmless to your skin and easy to wash off. So that's the reason I have chosen a water paint instead of any kind of a kajal or a gel liner. As we are creating a look where it should look like her skin is peeling off from her face, to make it more realistic, I have made the complete band or the mask little thick and applied black shade throughout the band, just shown in this video. Now this makeup is done only half of her face, not the other half. So because we need the angle only to show from one side of her face. Now once this is done, to create and make it look more realistic, I have used a white water paint and given a border or a kind of a realistic look, just given a thin line at the end of the black shade that you would see in this video. Now if you are a makeup enthusiast, do check out my other videos in my channel. I do have a lot of videos on bridal makeup and also coming up with many illusion makeups. It is really fun to try these kind of a look. Enhances the skin. So once this is done, I have also created the makeup, the face little more highlighted with a concealer. And of the concealer I have taken a fairer tone from the natural skin, which you just see in this, because we needed extra drama on the face. So I have applied a one shade fairer foundation again for the inner skin. You can see my work in my Instagram page, which is Makeup by B Bride. I hope you like this video. Do share it to your friends and like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.